Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today is Wednesday, November 19, 2025, and we've made it to the earnings day of Nvidia. It almost seems like if Nvidia has a bad number within their earnings report, or it's a bad reaction or a bad comment, that the world's going to end. There just seems to be so much pessimism and worry and angst about this report. And it's just remarkable that it's probably going to dictate the direction of not only the stock market, but overall the financial markets in commodities and interest rates and like that. And probably even have a global influence. Kind of where the state of where we're at given the AI investment and the excitement around that whole sector too. But so Nvidia is going to be tonight. And I saw this headline from the Daily Mail on Monday night after the sell-off on Monday and before yesterday's sell-off on Tuesday. But let me quote, here's the quote from the Daily Mail. Wall Street in extreme fear as stocks plunge again amid fears the world's biggest company is a dud. That is some real extreme language there, given that Nvidia has been very profitable, very successful, transformative and like that. But just again, it is a statement about where we're at, I guess, in the financial markets. Overall, the S&P 500 is down about 5% from its late October all-time highs, 5%. Now, within that AI sector, there have been some real punishing declines. CoreWeave is in the middle of the AI build-out. Since its earnings, it's down almost 50%. Oracle, another big, large, successful company, is down 20% this month and 36% from the September highs with some news announcements there. Nvidia is down 12% this month and 4% this week. Also, within the positioning, the setup is an implied range of 6.5% up and down from where Nvidia began today after the earnings. So the implied move about 6.5%. Could be up, could be down. So just a few thoughts on it. It seems like there's just a lot of worry, pessimism over Nvidia. Hey, they could have something in there that's mildly disappointing and the market could really react in a negative way. Certainly a possibility. But it seems like there's just so much worry that even if there's nothing too bad, that this event being behind us calms the markets and maybe we could rally. Not a prediction, but just it seems like there's just so much pessimism and worry over this one event that once we get past it, there's kind of a relief. And maybe the stock market could rally from there. So we'll be back. If there's something really important, I'll try to do a video on Thursday, but otherwise, likely we'll be back on Friday. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.